welcome back to my channel. We're here to watch the 5th episode of The Walking Dead Dead City, and it's called The Bird Always Knows. What was that shoelace gonna keep out? No.
We gave you a hero's welcome when you came home. And you said you executed the outlaw Negan. But you didn't. You let him walk. You're wrong. You're gonna need them to look tall grass. The dad will take care of them. And why would I do that? Because your son will be staying here with us.
Herschel's always a prisoner. And Maggie's always being forced to do shit she don't want to do.
What happens when you have people you care about?
How does it make us look? Tell me.
He's taking his anger from Adama out on this guy. I think it had something to do with the wires that were cut in half by an axe.
They'll kill you and all your people. Your son.
And I'll make sure they don't catch me.
She gave you the chance. You said no.
They're going to decide for you. You don't want that.
My apologies. Dropping by unannounced.
He just couldn't stay away.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh.
Hey, so I was.
That dog's like, who's this crazy guy?
And if she misses, then I'll get the job done.
Why did he look?
Jenny, put that gun down.
Seriously? No fucking way. That's their land. You can't just come onto their land and tell them what they can and can't do. They have no jurisdiction there.
I'll see you all very soon.
That's fucked up.
No way.
Boss! Boss!
Good job, Jenny. No fucking way. Get her. Herschel better not get hurt because of her. Yeah, Roxana. Poor rat. Didn't do anything wrong. Needs something to humble your ass. Who that?
It looks like I'm late to the party.
What's gonna happen to the Croat? You said something about a rat, and now our rat is dead, so you're probably in big trouble.
Came here to make peace.
You are nothing without me. You are nothing without me! Oh, you do is big and big and big with a cover on your high throne.
Get it out, babe.
You're an empress with no clothing. A proud, pathetic little queen. Ah!
I don't think he's going to. Is he back in his cell? Rat guts. Of course.
Tom is dead. What happens next?
I'll see you all very soon.
We have an incredible stunt team that also.
Although if her
helps you
neck
out.
was
And then
broken,
Lauren
how did she
ends
hold her head up
with
when
a
she
noose
went to
around
kill her?
neck.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.